Hello everybody and welcome to my channel where I unbox subscription boxes so you can decide is it worth it or not for you. Today in my list of all late boxes we have the May Allure Beauty Box, and again I love that silver shift. In this box I've actually been keeping products that I'm using to test in the box is right off to the side over here. So yeah, these are great boxes. I'll probably just wrap all of my Christmas presents in these boxes too, because I'm gonna have enough of them maybe. We'll see. Okay, the Allure Beauty Box is $15 a month, and it comes with a mix of full size and deluxe sample size products. And it doesn't really have like a set number. It's like 5 or 6 or 7. It's just kind of a mix of them. I'm not 100% sure anytime. And the first thing on top here is our booklet with all of our prices in it. Okay, next up, we got our box in here with the little red paper. Okay, right on top is something from Allure, and it looks kind of like food. I assume it's not edible. It is a resurfacing glycolic and unicorn root cleanser. Definitely not edible. So it is it's a resurface, refine, hydrate for all skin types. Okay, so it's a little cleanser. Look at this little packet though. I'm a big fan of that. It just says apply a small amount to wet face, massage in circles until it foams. I think there's enough in here for a couple. There's definitely way too much for one usage, so yeah, I got a good couple in here for that. That's kind of fun. Cleansers are fun. I like testing out new ones. Okay. Woohoo! Oh, excellent. The next up is something from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is their clear brow gel, which is very exciting. I actually don't have any clear brow gel. If you watched my Boxy Premium, I just got some pomade in dark brown, but nothing in clear. Test this out again. It's not bad actually. Size comparison between the box and the actual product inside. And inside, it's just a spoolie with some clear gel on it. Helps with unruly brows. Personally, I like my brows the way they are. They are a little bit, I guess furry is a word to describe them. But I like the natural look generally. Like currently, all I've done is add a little bit of the Furrowcious brow by the Balm and kind of spooled it through. I like to keep it nice and easy on my brows. And so some brow gel will be great because that'll just kind of like tame it down, and that's it. Good to go. So that's pretty exciting. I'm happy with that. And from what I've heard, the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel is a great product as well. So that's pretty fun. There are 4 more products in here. So it looks like this month we had 6 products. I can count 6 products. Next up is something from Skin Inc. This is pretty hefty. It says, My Daily Dose of Glow, Illuminate and Brighten. I'm gonna guess that this is some kind of serum. Let's see what it says on the back here. Nourishing beats my daily dose of glow for skin that radiates youth and healthy brightener than the stars. Let's try this again. It says youth and healthy brighter than the stars. It's got hyaluronic acid. Hydrochloric acid, can you imagine? That's like super acid that will burn your face. It doesn't have hydrochloric, it has hyaluronic. The good kind. Yeah, I do think it's a serum. It doesn't really say. This is kind of confusing. I'll wait until I get into the little booklet over here to see what it actually is. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm gonna say it's definitely a serum based on the look of it, but boy is it cool. So I don't know how well you guys can see, but inside there are these little dots that are actually light blue and pink. Oh, it's a serum cocktail on the front, by the way. So, and it's got the little dropper. Oh, it's got one of the like larger droppers here so you can actually pick up the little beads. Let's put one on my hand. So when I put it on my hand, a couple of the little beads actually came out. You can't see that, it's gonna blend in. But then I can just kind of rub it out and it rubs in. So it's not like those little plastic things that we got rid of in all of the like products, those little plastic ones. This is definitely something that absorbs into your skin because it's completely gone. There's no little bits and doodads or anything in here. So feels nice. Doesn't really have much of a scent, which is good. Don't like my skincare to smell like things. So yeah, that's pretty good. I like that. This looks like it's probably a full-size product too. So that's pretty great. Next up, we've got something from AHC Essentials, and it says Real Eye Cream for Face. Where else would I put my eye cream? That's my question. Oh wait, okay, I understand. And it says concentrated eye cream for the whole face. Okay, so it's eye cream you can put all over your face? I don't know what that means. Also, there's like a little tab here that just says scan here. And I don't really know what that means. Oh! It basically says install the app and scan this little thing here to make sure it's a real product. Interesting. It's in Chinese, so maybe they've been having some issues with some counterfeits. I don't know. Ooh, that's a good sized bottle here. 1.01 fluid ounces. Okay, so it is, yeah, it's an eye cream that you can use on your whole face. It says specially designed skincare regimen based on Korean aesthetic clinic approach. Whatever the word esthetician is, but that like short version of it. I can't say it right now. So it's just an eye cream that you can also put on your entire face. It says dispense and spread evenly around face. That is really interesting. It's got the little like tip on the end there. I'm going to leave it right now. I have a lot of other products that I'm kind of testing. So this will be a little bit before I get to it, but that is kind of an interesting concept. So it's got that like super concentrated, strong like ingredients, but you, instead of just under your eyes, you can put it on your whole face. That's why the bottle is so big. That's cool. Okay. We've got two more things in here. But the last thing, there's something about. Okay, so this one is it's a mask. So it is the Win Glamour Base, and oh, it's interesting. So this is actually it's a sheet mask. It says when you need a fabulous base for flawless skin, prepare with Win Glamour Base. Win by premium biocellulose sheet mask for face contains effective ingredients to help your skin look smooth and firm. Okay, so it's got, you open it and it actually has multiple layers on it, and you put the one layer on your face, the middle one, and just set it on there for 30 minutes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's like a regular mask. I like masks though, so that's pretty fun. I love adding them. And did I have a mask from this one? I don't know where the masks came from last time. I like masks. I think it was from my Glossy box from April. Had a fun, that was the fun clay mask that hardened on my face. It was really good. Yeah, I'm interested on this. Like I said, I love masks and I love finding good ones that I can just like buy more of. Okay, so the last thing in here is from Curology, and it is supposed to be a moisturizer. But I got an email recently that said some people didn't actually get the moisturizer. And so now I'm going to go find the email because it explains to me how to check whether it is the correct moisturizer or if it is something else. Okay, so I went to go check my email. Basically, it was to look at the bottle and then kind of put it on your hand to see if it had like little essentially exfoliators in it. So it was either a cleanser or the moisturizer. And from what I can tell, I have the moisturizer. When I put it on there, it felt like a moisturizer. It's sunk into my skin pretty well. So yeah, it's a nice moisturizer. I think there's something special with it because on the back of it here, it actually says I can get a month for free with Allure, part of the Curology set. So I will look at that. I'm guessing there's more information in the booklet. So let me go ahead and look. That's it. Now I've got through all of the products at the moment. So now it is money time, which means I need to figure out where I put my calculator again. Okay. First up is the serum. Right here. I have to read the first line for you. It says, if Dr. Seuss had a skincare line, all the products would resemble the Skin Inc. My Daily Dose of Glow. Probably because of all those like cute little dots in here. Well, the price for this is $65. I don't know if this is a full price. I would guess this is or full size. I would guess that it is. Like the picture in here, they look identical. Normally if it's a travel size, it looks a little different. But yeah, I would say this. So that makes this was $65. Whoa. So there, the box is paid for itself right there. Okay, up next is the AHC Real Eye Cream for Face. And this is a full-size product for sure. The 1.01 ounces. So it's $28.99. Not bad. It looks like you can get it at Target.com. So if you are looking for this or if you think it sounds great, $29, that's not too bad. And if you can get it from Target, you can get it delivered. So that's pretty nice. Not bad at all. So that's 2 full-size so far. Next up, I could have gotten a Vidia Lumilayer Primer or the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Clear Brow Gel Glow. Where's the glow in that? The Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Now, I would have to check, but I'm pretty sure this is their travel size. They've got 2 sizes of it, and I'm guessing this is the travel size. It is 2.5 milliliters. I might go look at it later and determine it. Full size price is $22, so... yeah, that's why I think this one is the travel. Not bad though for brow gel. I mean, considering it's gel, yeah, that might be a lot, but it's an Anastasia product. All of their things are expensive, truthfully. I have 1 palette from them, but gosh, do I want so many pretty palettes. Okay, up next is our Curology Moisturizer. And the price for this full size, obviously this is not a full size, this is obviously a deluxe sample size. The price for this is $19.95 and up for a set that includes cleanser, moisturizer, and custom treatment cream. And I do have a promo code where I can go to Curology.com and receive 1 free month of full Curology set, which includes the cleanser, moisturizer, and custom treatment, which is valid from May 1st through July 20th. And you bet I'm going to try it because a free month of that is pretty cool. So yeah, that's something I will be doing, and I will probably tell you guys how I feel about it in one of my second impressions when I come back with this. So how cool is that? And let's see. Up next we have our Allure Resurfacing Glycolic Unicorn Root Cleanser. Full price is $13. That's not too bad from Allure.com. And yeah, it's just a nice little cleanser. This is obviously a sample size of it. Most cleanse. It looks like in the thing here, it comes in like a regular cleanser bottle. And then the last thing in our box is the Wen Glamour Base Sheet Mask, and it is $7. Well, we'll put it right side up. $7. Which I still think is a lot for sheet masks. You can get a lot of sheet masks for a lot less. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the products. Let's go in. With the Allure box, I have a hard time kind of determining how much some of these things are, but we know that this is a full size, and that is $7. So let's put that on my calculator. And then I'm pretty sure this is a full size at $65. Serum, I mean, it's a regular size serum bottle, so I would say that. And then this I know is a full size, and that was the one that was $29. So with those 3 products alone, that's $101. And this, like I said, is a travel size, and I know they sell those on Anastasia, so I probably could look this up. This is just the tiny sample, and then I get a free month, which is like $20 worth, so that's pretty cool. This is part of the $13 cleanser, so honestly, I have no idea how to calculate that, but that kind of adds to the value. So overall, I'd say this box was an excellent value, truthfully. This alone is worth it, and honestly, I do love it. When I was saying it was looking like something Dr. Seuss would do, I definitely like it. All those little dots are really cute. I'm pretty interested to see how this turns out, or I guess how it works. So yeah, I'll let you know somewhere down the line with those second impressions. There'll be a lot of those at some point, because boy howdy do I have a lot of stuff. So stick with my channel, hit the like button, subscribe if you'd like to see more unboxings like this one, and turn on notifications if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, because there's a lot of them. I can see off to the side here. the next box that I get to unbox, which is pretty exciting. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day. Bye!